Ladies and gents, good morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Which other one you like? Welcome to another vloggy vlog. As I'm here on this gorgeous Thursday, taking my sweet time as folks are gingerly making their way through the stop sign. Excuse me, ma'am. I'm rude. Welcome to one more, yet another vlog. It's nice and beautiful again today. The temperatures and the weathers have been exquisite, to say the least. It's going to be 70. It's going to be like 77 this weekend, for realsies. Beautiful thing. Perfect time for the grand finale of the MotoGP season. Much excited. Much excited. Go ahead, ma'am. You got this. Yep, I'm gonna pull ahead of this person because they're from Texas and they're confused. It's not gonna be me. All right, so this is actually a gas tank question kind of day. That's right. We got a question from Momo 000 or 000 or 000 Momo 000. What made you start on YouTube, and what kept you motivated and going? Fantastic question. What made you start on YouTube? Well, I thought about this answer actually a little bit, and a few things. I mean, first of all, oh boy, people are just like cruising without checking. Immaturity. So I've always had a GoPro camera, right? And I've always been bicycling my whole life, and I've always had a GoPro camera, and I've always made videos and took pictures and stuff. And back in the day, there used to be forums instead of, like, you know, YouTubes and Instagrams and following and all that. There were like forums where you just chat about whatever your interest is. In my case, mountain bikes, dirt jumping, downhill, and urban assault. And Brooklyn Bike Riders was like the thing. Oh my goodness, why is there so much traffic? Should I go local? No. All right. So I would just create like pictures, and a lot of my friends also made a lot of videos. My buddy Yoni, a few other folks were always into like creating content, pictures, videos. And I was like, you know what? Like, I want to take some pictures too. And I've always taken pictures before. And then I actually made a couple of videos, like bicycling videos, which were kind of cool. Yeah, and so I started my YouTube channel specifically just to post some clips. My first clip was like my buddy Anson Wellington, this awesome bike rider. He was just like buddy hopping onto a hood of a car. And then I used to go to a lot of more hip-hop shows, so I had a bunch of like Action Bronson and Danny Brown and some other motherfucking Esquire. So some shows on there, and that's what mostly my YouTube was. And then obviously I got a motorcycle, which I rode for a while, and it only took probably a few weeks, maybe a couple months tops, before I realized that I literally can strap a camera to my helmet. And I saw it on the internet, people doing it, and I was like, damn bro, let me try that. So that's where you get the first videos. And I didn't even post them on Ducati NYC or anything. That came much later. It was just on my personal YouTube. And yeah, so I just kind of wanted to make videos. And vlogging, I'm not even sure. Like, I didn't see vlogging and I go like, oh my god, that's what I want to do. It just kind of happened because I wanted to try something, and I was like, let me see if I could talk on talk on camera while I ride, and it kind of worked out. It sort of worked out. Well, I mean, it didn't work out yet, but I'm working on it, right? So that's how that started. It was very like organic, you know. That's the beauty of it. I feel like that's why I'm still enjoying it while I'm still doing it, because at no point was it forced. It's still not forced. The only things that are forced is the freaking some aspects of like uploading and editing, you know, that like I love creating and I love like writing and then like I love marveling in the results. Oh, look at that cute ass van, adorable. Marveling in the results, but like the actual process sometimes is like tedious. But seeing like people comment and I get feedback, obviously the numbers and all that, like it definitely helps you stay motivated. But what I've noticed over time is that at the end of the day, I'm motivated by just like wanting to share, you know. I'm motivated by just like sometimes I have a beautiful ride and I just want to share it, because some days, like I was saying, like I get burnt out by like the backbone of this bitch. What is going on? Why is this person driving like this? Of course it's an Altima. You got all the room in the world there, Captain. What are you doing? What is the meaning of this? But yeah, just sharing sometimes is the best. Good Lord, why is there so much fucking traffic? I've literally been splitting for a few minutes now and I haven't made up a single minute. Interesting. All good. So yeah, but like seeing the numbers grow is obviously a thing, you know, because like I remember even when I had like 10 subscribers and then 20, my goal was like 30, you know. Same right now. My goal is next to 100. Like I don't go like, I mean, I do have goals to have like 50,000 subscribers or something, or 100,000, a million. But obviously I realize I need to I can hold the course and I can experience the growth that I'm experiencing, which is like, you know, there. But I do have to like probably put in a little extra effort. And like some videos do better than others. Even like riding bikes, that aspect, I really like that one, and I could probably explore that more, and that would be super fun. And I get to ride different bikes. But also I need to come up with something new, something fun to figure out what's next. And that's part that keeps me motivated. That there's like, I am in full control of this thing. Like 100% control is all me. It's my baby. I'm trying to decide if I want to tuck in here or later, probably later. The bike is just grooving. So many motorcycles today. I feel like it's a warm enough day where people are like, fuck it. This person here is like gonna be a Momo bird. Not really. Alright, let's fucking just get off the bridge. Get off the bridge. Get off the highway. There's no motorcycles behind me. It's my biggest. I don't want to block anybody splitting behind me, you know what I mean? Because I hate blocking people. In the car too, you know, if somebody's gunning behind me, might as well let them get ahead. My rear tire is so flat, I need to replace it. Like I can feel the weird flatness of it. Alright, this is fucked. I've made up 1 minute. I should probably go to the right here. It's a scumbag move, but it's the one that will have to happen. Excuse me, sir. Sorry, sir, I'm a scumbag. So yeah, that's that. That's the motivation. That's keeping going. And plus I got to meet so many people. Yo, man, like that's the best part. Like working on some of these things, I got to meet a ton of people. I got to use a ton of stuff I wouldn't normally use, like products and experiences. And there's so much more that I'm not taking advantage of, you know? So that's a huge motivational part as well. Tight squeeze here, but here I always make up so much time. Such a gorgeous spot, except when you get to something like this, it's like, nah, not even in my craziest, wildest dream could I fit there. So I just kind of look at that. Oh, come on, baby. Are you taking a right there? Alright, we're gonna get stuck because this truck is fucking licking balls. I wish I could just pop this curb here. Ooh. There we are. A little bit of a fucking spinaroo banzai, if you know what I mean. Alright, let's make sure we don't go over 25 because that's for the birds. Speeding is lame. I don't speed. I cruise perfectly legal at all times. Look at me. Look at my fucking posture. I'm like a fucking Gandalf, the wild wizard. Yo, I'm gonna get in front of this guy. He's chilling. Oh, now you're pulling up. Alright. Now you're pulling up. Fucking nerd. Yeah, so that's the gist of it. That's the catalyst of it. YouTube's, I love YouTube's. It's a hobby, right? Because it's such a big part of my life now where, yeah, it's like a lifestyle. It's weird that what people get into, because some people get into like playing guitar or something, you know. I wish I was playing guitar as well, but I would not trade this for anything else, you know. It's a fun activity. That's why I need to just get better at it, you know. I just need to improve. Look at that Honda Element, bro. It's fucking the boy got moves. It's a turbo probably, that's why. Yo, he just ran the fucking red light, that dude. Alright. Cool. Look at that. Dumbo in the flesh. The cutest of all. Plus I get to ride in New York City, you know what I mean? I get to ride in this fucking shithole. LOL. JK, JK. You know? I got my little GPS telling me where to go, even though I've been here a million, bazillion, quadrillion times. Look at this, no turn signal because YOLO. Fucking catch me if you can. Yo, birds, get the fuck out of the road. What are you doing? I'm driving here. Jesus. That's a problem, you know. New York City, the birds, the pigeons, look at them. Yo, that dude is trying to park on the sidewalk and the birds are like fucking getting sturdy. The birds are sturdy on the block, you know what I mean? Posted up. Double cheeked up on a Sunday afternoon. Oh, that was a gorgeous shot. Alright, let's see if I can just find that spot exactly where I want it. Because this right here is always a spot, you know, tucked away. We'll see if I can. Ooh, nice bends. Street cleaner just passed, so you should be able to find a spot right over there. Although there's a perfect spot right here. Oh, the Jeeps are gone. Oh no, they're not. The Jeeps are certainly not gone. So park it here again. Boom. Ducati monster has moved. Thank you, Voxia, for that fucking deep analysis of my location. But it's a handy thing. It's a handy thing.